So how we are going to deal the exception in the warehouses? So sometimes exception may arise in the warehouses. Let me take 4 examples. So that 4 examples I'm going to show with applying of the exception codes. So the first scenario number 1, change destination bin. So this is the exception scenario. So where I'm going to use exception code called CHBD, which is the scenario of inbound. So assume in this warehouse, so once you unloaded the stock into GR zone, from 9010 GR zone, my system created a put away task to a bin called VK10-01-01. So to this bin, my system created a task. Now forklift guy or put away guy took this pallet or HO and he went to this bin. Unfortunately, that bin is completely occupied by some other material. Means some warehouse people and they put manually some stock over there. So your pallet you cannot accommodate. So the system driven is VK10-01-01-01 bin. But already some metal is there or bin is damaged. Sometimes bin also damaged. So now you want to put in a different bin. So you want to manually put it in this bin 01-001-05. So basically you are going to overwrite the destination bin from this bin to this bin. So if I am going to change the bin, my system is not going to allow. System is expecting to validate the bin. So if you scan this bin, system will say you have scanned a wrong bin. So basically my system should allow to take the new bin. So how I'm going to achieve? To applying the exception code called CHBD. Okay, CHBD if you apply, my system will allow, okay, your bin proposed by the system is this one, in which bin you want to put away. So that bin you are going to scan. My system will confirm the task with this bin. And in the warehouse task also in the line item, you can see with the CHBD exception code. So this is scenario number 1. Next scenario number 2, change destination H2 means we have unloaded the stock, we have packed in the GR zone, we have done the unloading and goods receipt. You are putting into this bin. So the bin is also empty, but the moment the forklift guy is going to put away the stock into the bin, so the pallet is got fall down and it is got broken. Now he cannot put away this material with that HO because that pallet is broken. Now I want to scan a new HO. I want to go with a new HO. So basically we are changing the HO, CHHO. So this is also inbound side scenario. So the first scenario is we're changing the bin. Second scenario is we are changing the HO. I mean basically we are repacking in a different pallet, different HO. This is scenario number 2. Then scenario number 3. So let me take in the outbound side. So assume this is a bin. This is a bin. So from that bin, material X, system is showing 10 quantity. So task got created. Where task number 1 to pick from this bin VK10-01-01-01. From this bin, system is asking to pick X material 100. System also showing as 10 quantity. Okay, but the moment picker gone to this bin, unfortunately he find only 7. System is asking to pick 10. In the system also stock is showing 10, but physically how much available? 7. So if physically available 7, can you pick 10? Guys,
No.
can you pick 10? No.
No.
Physically 7, how can you manufacturer, how can you make 10? Right? So you have to pick 7 only. So how we are going to deal this type of scenario? So what I'm going to do, I am going to apply the exception code. So we are saying Daniel, pick Daniel. Pick Daniel means we are not accepting whatever the system is asking. That is pick Daniel. So, but we are fulfilling partial. So that's the reason we call it as a partial pick Daniel. Partial pick Daniel out of 10. Yes, I can satisfy 7, not 10. So that is partial pick Daniel. So the exception code BIDP we are going to use. So this is partial pick Daniel with BIDP exception code. So this is in the outbound side. Then scenario number 4. System is showing the quantity of this bin is 10 and task also got created 10. But unfortunately in this bin I have empty stock. So the bin is completely empty, no stock at all available. So can I pick anything from this bin? No, completely bin is empty. So I'm going to apply BIDF. This is for full pick Daniel. So completely we are rejecting full quantity because I don't have anything in the bin. The bin is completely empty. Full pick Daniel. This is BIDF. This is also audible.